First, go to Settings. Then, go to Video and set it to 1080 by 1920. For FPS, I recommend setting it to 60. Next, go to Sources and add everything you want to show on screen, like your game or PC display, your camera, microphone, system audio, etc. Then, go back to Settings. And this time, go to the Stream tab. Here, select Custom. Now you'll need to fill in these two fields. To do that, go to the link shown below, copy the info, and paste it into OBS. Finally, click Start Streaming, and you're all set.